So, when installing the flywheel, just put it a bit higher. Yep. You have a little tiny hole here in the new flywheel, and the old one also. So this LUK flywheel, look, the tiny hole has to be just across the tiny hole in the crankshaft sticking out here. Just the opposite side, it mounts like that. But you cannot misplace it because these holes are further apart than the rest of the holes. So it's fail-proof. Just stick them in, 60 Newton meters plus 90 degrees. That's for the most flywheels. Let's always look it up. I have a special car software program that has all the numbers in there. These are new bolts. It comes with the kit with some Loctite on there. In Dutch is called borging. Yep. And now we'll tighten them down to 60 Newton meters. Up. Just to be a little faster, we'll do it initially with this. Up. 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 Yeah, I'll just take the one setting. Yep. Yep. And now 60 it is. 60 it is. So yeah, I'll make sure they'll connect to the crankshaft just slightly. Sometimes it's faster by hand. You cannot replace the good solid labor by hand. It's also healthy, keeps you in shape. What the fuck? Yeah, it's just the sealant is really holding it down, so I'll just tighten it. I'll tighten it down to number 1. Up. Yep, that's tightened down. That was also tightened down. So next one is up on the other side. And then this one. This one. And the last one. Yep. Yep. And now 60 Newton meters and then 90 degrees. I think 60 will be alright. Perhaps the engine will turn. Ah! We should loosen our tool. Right. Yep. Right. Yeah. Important. Don't forget to loosen your tool. Up. else you will block the belt. So it was still on top dead center, so we did it well. There you can see the hole where this pin slides in. I told already about that, so easy cheesy, easy peasy. Right, my lamp will be charged. Of course, when I start filming, my lamp suddenly decides to stop lighting. So here we are again, 90 Newton meters, and we'll take screwdriver, where I put it. I should clean up first. I'm probably sitting on it. Screwdriver is gone. This can be exposed. This also. There it is. Sometimes when you're working, most of the times actually, it's better to lay everything, put everything back immediately. So when you're looking for a tool, you don't go berserk and you find it immediately, instead of swearing and complaining that you had a difficult life as a teenager, and that everyone sucks. Well, let me tell you, not everyone sucks. Just as my last date. God damn it. Why bother? Why bother? Sometimes you could ask yourself that question. Why bother? Will this be enough? I don't think so, but hey, we'll try anyway. Oh, it's not like that, Steven. It's like that. Yep. We'll do the one hand thing. Yep, 60. Actually it's 35. 35, yep. So now they're really against the crankshaft. Up, then this one. Up, this one. Up, and the last one. Yep, and I will have to fix them at 6.